This is my most popular YouTube Shorts in 2022. Shorts is YouTube's answer to TikTok, Instagram Reels, and other viral video platforms. Shorts are vertical, short-form videos, 60 seconds or less. Since last year I have produced several YouTube Shorts with short, 60 seconds Excel tutorials. In this video I present my 5 most popular YouTube Shorts, based on number of views. So, without further ado, this is my most popular YouTube Shorts in 2022. Create random number with RANDBETWEEN in Excel.
Say you have a lottery, with 20 tickets. Let us draw a random number and see who the winner is. RANDBETWEEN function returns a random, integer, number between the numbers you specify. Enter equal sign. RANDBETWEEN. And 1 is the first argument and 20 is the second argument. And when you press enter, you will get a random number from 1 to 20. The number will be updated every time you calculate. Or press F9 on the keyboard. Thank you for watching. Click subscribe for more short tutorials on how to work more efficient with Microsoft Excel.
How to use Format Painter button in Excel. This is how to use the Format Painter button in Excel. Select the cell with the formatting you want to copy. On the Home tab, in the Clipboard group, click the Format Painter button. The pointer will change to a paintbrush. Move to the cell where you want to apply the formatting, and click on it. By double-clicking on the Format Painter button, you can apply formatting to several cells. Deselect by clicking on the Format Painter button. Thank you for watching. Click subscribe for more short tutorials on how to work more efficient with Microsoft Excel. Copy values with drag and drop. The trick with this technique is to use the right button on the mouse when moving your data. Select the cells with formulas that you want to transform to value only. Point the cursor on the frame of the selection. Right-click and hold the mouse, and drag the cells to their new location. When you release the mouse, you select Copy here as values only. Now your data are copied as values. Thank you for watching. Click subscribe for more short tutorials on how to work more efficient with Microsoft Excel. Export name and emails from a Zoom meeting to Excel. Sign in on your Zoom account. On the Zoom portal, click Reports on the left panel, and click Usage. From the meeting you look for, click on the number of participants. You can generate an CSV file of the list by clicking the Export button. Open the CSV file in Excel. Choose Data, Text to Columns to separate the comma-separated columns. Now you have an Excel file with names and emails to all participants from your Zoom meeting. See a link in the video description for a longer and more in-depth tutorial on how to retrieve an attendance list for a Zoom meeting. And my most popular short video in 2022 was: enter data in several cells at the same time.
You may have to write the same thing over and over again in cells in a worksheet. This is how you do it the easy way. Say that you want to fill cell A1 to A10 with the same data. Step 1, select the cells in which you want to enter data. Step 2, enter your data. Step 3, instead of only press enter, you hold down the control button on your keyboard first, and then press enter. The shortcut, Control and Enter, will fill all selected cells with the data in the first cell. Thank you for watching. Click subscribe for more short tutorials on how to work more efficient with Microsoft Excel.